This spark sensor has 5 wires. The 2 red wires are identical. Take the 2 red ones here. The 2 red ones are indistinguishable. Connect them to the last 2 terminals. Looked at the wire. It is numbered. This one is labeled 2. The terminals are numbered 2. This one is labeled OV. Connect it to the OV terminal shown above. This wire has a label as well. This one is labeled X6. Connect it to the terminal X6. For these 5 wires, the 2 red wires are identical and no numbered. Just connect to red wires too. The last terminals are also not numbered. Just connect them. The remaining 3 wires are numbered. Match each wire to the terminal with the same number. Then turn the power back on.